Good afternoon to all. My name is Lavanya, lecturer in English from Giriraj Government College. So today's topic is homophones, homographs and homonyms. So for the first year students for the first semester. Alright. So today's topic is the homophones, homographs and homonyms. Yeah. So let us see what is the homophones and what are the homographs and what are the homonyms, right? So we are going to see that what is the differences between the homophones and the homonyms and the homographs, and when we will use the homophones and homographs and homonyms, right? So we are going to see now so some words seem designed to mix you up, that two words might sound the same but be spelled differently. Two words might sound the same but be spelled differently is called the homophones. Right? Two words might be sound the same. When you pronounce the sound same but spelled differently, but the spelling is different. Yes, that is comes under that is called the homophones. Yeah, next one, two other words might be spelled the same but mean different things. Alright, so that are called the homographs. So two other words might be spelled the same but the meaning is different. And another two words may have the same spelling but different pronunciation or comes under the homonyms. Yes, so meet here the three H words, homophones, homonyms and homographs. So what is a homophone? Sounds alike. Homophones are the sounds same as it is. Same sounds we will pronounce, but the spelling is different. Homonyms sound alike and are spelled alike. So homonyms are sound is the same and also spelling is also same. Yes, homographs have the same spelling. Homographs, what is a homograph? Have the same spelling. Right? So here I have written the table. I have made the table here for you understanding. So homophones. Homophones. Same sound. Yes. Same spelling. Maybe. Same meaning, also maybe. Homonyms, same sound, yes. Same spelling, yes. Same meaning, no. And homographs, same sound, yeah, maybe. Maybe means the situation, by the situation, right? Same spelling, yes. Same meaning, also maybe, right? Yeah. So come here, homophones. So these words sound alike. They may or may not be spelled differently. Yes. Example, the words air and hair. What is that? Sound alike, means sound the same but the spelling is different, right? Air and the air. The prince is the queen's heir. I love the fresh air. Right? So the examples are here, so the homophones are the spelling is different but the sound, whatever it may be, you take the sound, whatever it may be, you pronounce the sound, so that sound is same. Suppose example, air and air. So the two are the spellings, the two are the pronunciations are same, you are pronouncing the same but the spelling is different. Air and air, A-I-R and H-E-I-R. That also gives the same spelling but different, same sound but different spelling. Yes, the prince is the queen's heir. I love the fresh air. Suppose the next example also, the words fire and fire. Fire and fire, but have two different meanings, but they have different meanings, two different meanings. We can use in the two situations, in the two different situations, that the flames of the fire glowed brightly, the boss will fire the bad employee. Yes, the flames of the fire glowed brightly, right? Yeah, fired. But the second meaning, the boss will fire the bad employee, right? So fire, the boss fires. It is the angriness. The flames of the fire is a situation. It is a what you call it is a situation like a flower, like vichukunudu antam kada. So that type of a situation, right? But here the spelling is same, sound also same. Yes, I already told here ma, the spelling is also be the same. Maybe the spelling also be same in the homophones, right? Maybe the same meaning also. Maybe the same meaning also. Yes. So other examples of the homophones ma here. Don't waste the remaining paper. Don't waste the remaining paper. Tie a belt around your waist. Around your waist. Right? Tie a belt around your waist. Means it is a sorry ma, body part. Waist. Tie a belt around your waist. It is a body part, right? Don't waste the remaining paper. So here the spelling is different and also the meaning is also different, right? We need rain to end the drought. We need rain to end the drought. The queen has had a long reign. The spelling is same, right? No, the pronunciation is same. Don't be confusion ma. Little bit confusion in the homophones, homonyms and the homographs ma. So the spelling is different, or maybe the spelling is same, but the pronunciation is same compulsory. Pronunciation is same. In any situation you take that, pronunciation is same. Yes, the spelling will be changed, may not be changed also, may be changes also. The meaning also may be changes, may not be changes also, but only one mark, it doesn't change the pronunciation, right? So we pronounce same as it is same, right? Two words we pronounce the same. Yes, it was a starry night. The knight never used his sword. Right? It was a starry night. The knight never used his sword. Right? Yeah. I ride the bus to school. She does too. Yes. It is 2 o'clock. Yeah. 3. Right, ma? 3. You see here. I ride the bus to school. She does too. It is 2 o'clock. So the same pronunciation you are pronouncing, same sound, because same pronunciation gives the same sound itself. So here same sound, same pronunciation, but the meaning is different and also the spelling is different. So that comes under the homophones. Right, ma? That comes under the homophones, right? Already I have given here table. In this table, what is in this table, ma? Homophones, the same sound. Yes, yes. Compulsory, ma. Note this same sound. Compulsory same sound it gives. So when you hear the pronunciation, it is giving the same sound but different spelling. Right? Different spelling. But also it is giving the same sound, same pronunciation. So then it comes under the homophones. Blindly you follow that, ma, it comes under the homophones. Yes? Yeah. Come to the homonyms now. What is that homonyms? Same sound, same spelling. But the same meaning? No. No. Right? Same sound? Yes. Same spelling? Yes. But the same meaning? No. Yes, now we are going to see that how it is possible. Homonyms. These are a subtype of homophones. That's because they don't just sound alike. They also have the same spelling. Yes, these are a subtype of homophones. Homonyms are the subtype of homophones. That's because. Why? Why? Because they don't just sound alike. They also have the same spelling. What is a homophone? Homophones has the different spelling, but the pronunciation is same. Here also pronunciation is same, but spelling is also same. spelling is also same. How it is possible? And the meaning is different, ma. We can use in the two, in the situation, by the situation we can use it, right? So the meaning is different. The sound is same, the spelling is same, but the meaning is different. Yeah, come here. Example, the word bear. Right? The bear lived in the woods. I can hardly bear the excitement. Yes, bearing ourselves. You beard it. You will not bear the hard words, right? So that bearing, right? We will bear that. And the bear lived in the woods. So teddy bear, right? The animal, right? So the spelling is same, pronunciation is also same, but the meaning, when we have changed the meaning is different. By the situation, we can use the two same spelling, the two same pronunciation. So these type of spellings, these type of words are comes under the homonyms. Yes. So the second example, the word pen. Yes, very good example. Pen, the animals in the coral. Write your name with a blue pen. Pen, the animals in the coral, and write your name with a blue pen. So the spelling is same. Sorry, pronunciation is same, but the situation, the sentences has changed. The meaning will be changed. Right? So that comes under the homonyms. Yeah. And also I have written some more examples for your idea, for getting an idea. A few more examples of homonyms. Yeah. So now we are going to see the few more examples of homonyms. I never wear a watch when I watch TV. Yeah, very good example. Very nice. I never wear a watch when I watch TV. Yes, watch TV and watch. Yeah, very nice example. I think you have understood, right? And the actors in the play will play chess. Right. The actors in the play will play chess. Yes. Scale the fish, then the weight it on the scale. Shut your mouth so a fly doesn't fly into it. I tire at the thought of changing a tire. I tire, right? Don't park the car near the park bench. Raise your right hand if you have the right answer. Very good, right? So, very best examples, I have written here. Raise your right hand if you have the right answer. So the meaning, the spelling is same, the pronunciation is same, but the meaning will changes, right? Meaning is changes. So that comes under the homonyms. Yes, yes. Next one, third one, homographs. Yes, so homographs, these words have the same spelling. They may or may not have the same sound and meaning. So, what is a homograph? Homographs has the same spelling, but it has same, the pronunciation or the same meaning. So, how? Now we are going to see my example. The word lead and lead. Lead us through the dark woods. The package was a heavy as lead. Yes, the word been also here. I have been tried lately. I have been tried lately. So, Canadian ancient and US ancient. I have written the ancient also here, ancient also in the bracket, that I have been tried lately. So, this been, the what you call US, in the US, they will pronounce when the bin is, the sound will come at the bin. I have been tried lately. But in the Canadian accent, I have been, B-E-E-N, instead of B-E-E-N, B-E-A-N. When they pronounce in the Canadian accent, we also pronounce when it comes the sound as I have been tried lately. B-E-A-N. right? So the accent will changes, ma, right? Yeah. So I have written some more examples for you, ma. Please close the door. We sat close to each other. Please close the door. We sat close to each other. So the meaning is different, right? But the spelling is same. Pronunciation is also same. So maybe, ma, sometimes the pronunciation is also the same, but the meaning is different, right? I want to live in Paris one day. He likes to fish with live bait. The wind blow the leaves away. Wind up the toy and watch it go. The white dove is a beautiful bird. She dove into the swimming pool, right? She dove into the swimming pool. She dove. The white dove is a beautiful bird. The desert is sandy, hot and dry. Don't desert a friend in need. Yes? Yeah. So, nothing but very easy that the triple H, you have to remember that what are the homophones, what are the homonyms and what are the homographs. So, in the three also, in the three homophones and the homographs and the homonyms, in the three also, right, the meaning is different, right? You remember carefully that the meaning is different, but the sound and the spelling, sound and the spelling changes, right? In the homophones and in the homonyms and in the homographs, the sound and the spelling will be changed, but the meaning will be changed compulsory. So remember the three H words here, right? Homophones, sound alike, means sound same, but the spelling is different. Homonyms, sound same and are spelled also same. Homographs, so having the same spelling, right? Yeah. So here also I have written the table here. Some examples also. In the up I didn't give the examples, only just I have written the table. So here I have written the examples also, that homophones, yes, same sound, yes, air, air, air. Same spelling, maybe, no, air, 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 no, yes, attire, no, two tire, attire, two tire. Same spelling, right? Same pronunciation, but the meaning will be different. And also the meaning, air, hair, hair, gases, gases. Yes, the spelling is different, but the meaning is same, right? The homonyms, homonyms are the same sound, scale to scale, and also the same spelling, scale to scale, but same meaning, scale to scale. No, there is a no same spelling. Sorry, there is a no same meaning, right? Yeah. Next one, homographs. Sorry, homographs. Homographs are the same sound, maybe. Yes, attire, to tire, or to lead, lead. Yes, yeah. And the same spelling also, yes, attire, to tire, to lead, lead. Same spelling, yes. And the same meaning. It is also maybe, attire, to tire, or a bean. Bin versus bean, right? So this table, you have to remember this table compulsory, so then only you can remember what are the homophones, homonyms and also the homographs. So nothing confusion, no confusion, right? Yeah. So once again, my name is Lavanya Sadat, lecturer in English from Giriraj Government College, Nizamabad. So today's my topic is homophones, homographs and homonyms. Sorry. Right? Yeah. So I'm repeating once again. We have learnt in the homophones and homographs and homonyms. Right? We have learnt the 3H, triple H. Homophones. What are the homophones, You have to remember that in the homophones, sound is same. Right? Sound is alike. Means sound is same. Yes? In the homophones, the sound is same. In the homonyms, sound is same, spelling is same. In the homographs, spelling is same. Then the meaning is different, ma. In any the homophones or the homographs or the homonyms. In any, you take any homophones or the homonyms or the homographs. So there is a meaning is the different, right? Only the differences between in the two you have to see that spelling and the pronunciation. You have to see the spelling and pronunciation. Yes, yeah. So some words seem designed to mix you up. Two words might sound the same but be spelled differently. That comes under the homophones. Homophone, sound is same, spelling is different. Yes? Two other words might be spelled the same but meaning different things. Homonyms. What is a homonym? Spelling is same and the pronunciation is also same but the meaning is different. And another two words maybe have the same spelling but different pronunciation. Right? Same spelling but pronunciation is different. Situation. By the situation we will change the pronunciation. The spelling is as it is remains but the pronunciation will be changed. Yes? Yeah. That comes under the homographs. Yeah. Come. Let us see now. Meet the three H words. H. Homophones, homonyms and homographs. Yeah. Homophones sound alike. Homonyms sound alike and are spelled alike. Homographs have the same spelling. Yes. So see here I have written the table for you for understanding. Sound, spelling and meaning. These three are very important in the homophones, homonyms and homographs. Yes? Yeah. Now we are going to see that homophones. Yes. Same sound. Yes. Same spelling, maybe or may not be. Same meaning, maybe or may not. But the same sound is compulsory. Yes. You have to remember that homophones gives the same spelling. Yes? Yes. Next one. Homonyms. Homonyms also same sound. Yes. It gives the same sound. Yes. Same spelling? Yes. Homonyms also gives the same spelling. Same meaning? No. Right? Homonyms are same spelling, same sound. But same meaning? No. And now homographs. Same sound? Yeah, maybe or may not be. Right? Same spelling? Yes. Same meaning? Maybe or may not be. Now let us look the three H words one at a time. Right. Yeah. Come to the homophones now. These words sound alike. They may or may not be spelled differently. When they aren't, they are called homonyms more on the latter. Homophones are these words sound alike. These words sound alike. They may or may not be spelled differently. They may or may not be spelled differently. Yeah. Now we are going to see the example, so then you will get an idea, right? Yeah. Example. The words air and air. Air and air. So what are the homophones? Sound is same but the spelling differently. Yes, air and air. The pronunciation is same. You are giving the sound same, but here the spelling is different. So that comes under the homophones. Yes, yeah. Examples see here. The prince is the queen's air. I love the fresh air. So here, what is the homophone? The meaning is same or maybe or may not be. Here the meaning is not same. The meaning also different. The spelling also different. But the pronunciation is same. Yes. Next. Second example here. Yeah. The word fire and fire. I already told that. What are the homophones? Sound is, only the sound is not the same. But the spelling is may be or may not be the same, right? By the situation. So sometimes the spelling will becomes the same in the homophones, but the pronunciation is different. Fire, fire. Fire, fire, right? The flames of the fire glowed brightly. The boss will fire the bad employee, right? The pronunciation is different. Fire, fire. Yes, but the spelling is same, meaning is also different. Yes, yeah. Other examples of homophones. Some more examples I have written here. See that. Don't waste the remaining paper. Tie a belt around your waist. The spelling is different, the meaning is also different, but the pronunciation is same. Don't waste your waist. Waste, waste. Same pronunciation. No different in the pronunciation, but the spelling is different. Right? So this is called the magic of the English. Yeah. And the next one, we need rain to end the drought. The queen has had a long reign. It was a starry night. The knight never used his sword. I ride the bus to school. She does too. It is 2 o'clock. Same. What is the same? Pronunciation is same, but the spelling is different. This is the magic of the English language. This is the magic of the language. That these also has the topic that is called the homophones. Yes, yes. Now go to the second one. Come to the second one, homonyms. What are the homonyms? Yeah, these are a subtype of homophones. Same subtype of the homophones because they don't just sound alike. They also have the same spell, right? They just don't the sound alike. They have the same spelling. Spelling is same and the pronunciation is also same. So that's why it is a subtype of homophones. Homophones are sounds are the same, pronunciation is same, but the spelling is different. But homonyms, spelling is same, pronunciation is also same. Yeah. Come, let us look at the examples. Sorry. The word bear. Bear, right? The bear lived in the woods. I can hardly bear the excitement. Bearing ourselves, nothing but whatever it may be, the happiness, the sadness, the problems, I bear my problems. So bearing, nothing but we bear our problems, we controlling our excitement or happiness or joy or whatever it may be, sad feelings, nothing but, right? And the bear lived in the woods. What is the teddy bear? Bears, dolls or bear animal, right? Yeah. So homonyms are the same spelling, same pronunciation, but the meaning is different. Next one, the word pen. Pen the animals in the coral. Pen the animals in the coral. Write your name with a blue pen. Write your name, write your name with a blue pen. Yes, yeah. And few examples, very nice, very good examples. So, see here. I never wear a watch when I watch TV. The actors in the play will play chess. Scale the fish, then weight it on the scale. Shut your mouth so a fly doesn't fly into it. I tire at the thought of changing a tire. Right, bike tire or the car tire, whatever it may be. Don't park the car near the park bench. Raise your right hand if you have the right answer. Yes, so the meaning is different. The spelling is same, pronunciation is same, but the meaning is very different. Right, by the situation, the meaning will be changed. So these comes under the homonyms. Yeah. Next, jump to the third one, homograph. Sorry, yeah. These words have the same spelling. They may or may not have the same sound and meaning. Right? So what are the homographs? Homographs have the same pronunciation but not the same sound. Sorry ma, homophones, homographs has the same meaning, not the same spelling or not the same meaning. Yes, the words lead and lead. Lead us through the dark wood. The package was a heavy as lead. The word been also. I have been tried lately. I have been tried lately. So here the US accent in the US accent we will pronounce as the I have been B-I-N tired lately. And the Canadian accent ma been B-E-A-N been. Yes. So the meaning is different. Sound is also different, but the spelling is same. Yeah. See some more examples ma here of the homograph. Please close the door. We sat close to each other. Spelling is same. Right? Pronunciation may be changed or may not be changed, and the meaning may be changed, may not be changed. But compulsory changes in all the situations, right? Yeah, just only one or two situations the meaning will not be changes, but compulsory the meaning also changes. Yeah. I want to live in Paris one day. I want to live in Paris one day. Sorry ma. I want to live in Paris one day. He likes to fish with leaf bait. The wind blew that leaves away. Wind up the toy and watch it go. The white dove is a beautiful bird. She dove into swimming pool. Right? The desert is sandy, hot and dry. Don't desert a friend indeed. Yes? Yeah. So remember the three H words ma. Homophones sound alike, homonyms sound alike and are spelled alike. Homographs have the same spelling. Yes? Yeah. So next one ma, table I have written the up, it says table, but here I have given the spellings also for clarification, for getting fastly for your mind, right? So I have written one or two examples also here. Let us look at. Yes, homophones, homonyms, homographs. Same sound, same spelling, same name. Yes. Now going to the homophones. Homophones are the, yes, same sound, same spelling, maybe or may not. Same meaning, maybe or may not be. Here, see here, same sound. How? Yes, air, air, air. Air. Same spelling, maybe or may not be. So here I have written may not be air, air, air. Maybe attire, tire, to tire. So same meaning, may not be air, air, air. Maybe gases, gases. Right? Gases, gases. Cylinder gas and the gas, acidity gas. Right? Yeah. So meaning is different. Yeah. Next one, homonyms ma. Same sound? Yes. Same spelling? Yes. Same meaning? No. Yes. So here homonyms, same sound. Scale, scale. Same spelling. Scale, scale. But the meaning is different. Scale to scale. Yes. So homograph. Same sound? Yeah, maybe. So maybe I have written the maybe example and may not be example also. Yes. Attire to tire. No. To lead, 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 lead. Yes. Yeah, same spelling. Yes. Attire to tire, lead or lead. Same meaning. Maybe or may not be. So here I have written no and also the S. Attire to tire, being or being. Been versus being. I already told that US accent and the Canadian accent, right? So here the meaning will be changes. So all my you see that the meaning compulsory changes, right? But the spelling and the sound, the relation between the sound and spelling is only you have to learn perfectly, right? So the link between the sound and spelling is a very important. Meaning will be changes compulsory. Maximum changes the meaning, right? I already told that any situations, by the situations one or two, but in all most probably that maximum the meaning also will be changes compulsory. So you have to see the relation between the spelling and the sound. Yes, you have to see the what you call connection between the spelling and the sound in the three. Sorry, ma. In the three H's, right? Triple H, homophone, homonym, and the homogram. You have to see, you have to observe only the sound and the pronunciation. The sound will be changed, the pronunciation will be changed or not, and the spelling compulsory, right? Spelling and the pronunciation and the meaning. You have to see the three compulsory. I'm already told that the meaning will change compulsory, maximum the meaning will change, but the spelling and the pronunciation, you have to see, you have to observe the spelling and the pronunciation compulsory, right? So this is the topic, today's topic. We have learnt that what are the homophones and what are the homonyms and what are the homographs, right? What is the differences between the homophones, homographs and homonyms? So this is the end of my topic, I'm ending now. Thank you very much.